Hi all. I just ordered some goodies from the Buckingham Palace gift shop for Christmas and I'm just going to unbox them. I'm excited to show you what all I have ordered for Christmas. First of all, I had to pay heavy duty for getting these items delivered to my home, and I had a difficult time with the with DHL and with the customs, because they had lots of formalities uh, for clearing this item. I had to ensure them that I was just I was just doing a personal purchase for Christmas, and it had nothing to do with any business or any professional thing. First and foremost, this is the white tea that's mixed with rose and pomegranate and cranberry bits. This is a specialized English tea that is served in the garden parties of the royal family and enjoyed more by the royal family. And then I ordered some hot chocolate and a biscuit tube. This biscuit tube cookies is mixed with hazelnut and chocolate chip, and I must say that I enjoyed it a lot out of the lot that I ordered. And then I ordered some hot milk chocolate powder from the Royal Shop website. I'm looking forward to use this and see how it tastes. Then I had ordered some strawberry jam. They say that this jam is made using the strawberry sourced from the palace gardens. I'm also looking forward to try this. Then next comes the Buckingham Palace iconic mug that I have ordered from them. Before that, let me show you the season's greetings that they had sent along with the box for Christmas. Now this mug, just wait a second. This mug is a fine piece made using bone china, and it's finished and molded with gold, plated with gold. So these are some of the items that I ordered, and I think it's I really like the quality of the product. The only issue is the heavy duty you have to pay if you're ordering from India. Before I end this video, let's taste some cookies. Let me taste some cookies and show you how it tastes. There you go. They are yummy and delicious. I look forward to ordering more products from the Royal Shop website. I think my Christmas is made. I've been thinking of ordering from them for a long time, and yeah, today the arrival of these items truly made my Christmas this year. Thank you for